Hi, I'm Dean from McDurmon Distributing, and on today's tech tip we're going to talk a little bit more about propellers and mainly about the interchangeable hub kit compatibility between brands. As you can see, I got some selections out here. This is going to be the 4 1/4 inch gear case with the square hub cavity. This is the 4 3/4 gear case, also square hub cavity. Between the brands, you can run the Turning Point hub kit, you can run the Quicksilver hub kit, or you can run the Michigan wheel hub kit in the larger propellers. These props I have here, this would be for like a 30 to a 70 horsepower range. We have a Quicksilver, we have a Turning Point, and we have a Michigan wheel. These particular propellers have to use brand matching hub kits. So if you have a Michigan wheel, it has to take the Michigan wheel hub kit. The Turning Point definitely has to have the Turning Point because of the way the hub kit locks in. And the Quicksilver, which is everybody's favorite, with the reflex hub kit with the fingers, these are not interchangeable between brands. So I hope this tech tip helps you. And remember, at McDurmon, we're your parts professionals.